wolves, I bet I lead the pack. Yeah, I'm grinding right now, can't nothing hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat, On ski, yeah, just let me start. Yeah, I'ma wipe your whole memory when I play the heart. Yeah, all the fine shit is in the art. Yeah, so much out, it ain't all gon' fit in the jar. Yeah, big group, yeah, you already know that I'm a star. Yeah, feel like noobs, talk about how I disappear in the dark. Yeah, I'm ready for combat, you know I feel like more the man. Yeah, my dude say you got this shit, I know you doing the best you can. Yeah, I swear, when I blow, life gon' be so grand. Yeah, don't promote an image you not that make you less of a man. Yeah, fine shit, don't wanna leave, she thinks she ain't never land. Yeah, if a bitch try to line me up, the bitch and the nigga gon' die. Yeah, I don't feel remorse, I don't feel sorry either. Yeah, if they play my song on the radio, I'ma turn it to creepers. Yeah, feel like Dora, where's the map? Yeah, feel like Santa with all these hoes on my lap. Yeah, I just want this money to overlap. Yeah, every day it's gonna be something you gotta adapt. Fuck. Yeah, foot my guard broke when I unravel. Yeah, I'm just trying to settle down with some.
Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaded. I'm back with another video, man. As you can see, it's some shit. It's like a lot of commotion going on right now, and I got the same fit on, bro, from the last video. Do not clown me, gang.
It's a different day, and the same fit.
He ain't lying.
No bullshit, bro. We out here though. Y'all see it? A lot of motherfuckers out here right now, gang. It's a lot of motherfuckers out here. But look, bro, we got an XM5. We got 704J in here. We got this guy here.
Who the fuck is that guy?
I don't even know his name, bro. He just got off the clock, bro.
I've been off the clock literally 30 minutes, bro. Stop the cap.
Man, it's a whole bunch of shit out here though, gang. I'll bring y'all another car meet video. This bitch right here crazy as fuck. That nigga got a light bar on top of the whip. A GTI. This M right here is crazy. Look at this shit. Carbon fiber. Look at the hood, gang.
Carbon fiber. Real carbon fiber.
Dead ass.
Well, that bitch
Look at the wrap though. The matte blue wrap. There's some shit out here for show. Camry. Insane, twin. What the fuck?
God!
Oh my God!
I say we put it in neutral. I'm gonna roll back. I love these shits, bro.
Me too, gang.
I've never been in one. Let's make tonight our first night.
My boy Boston called.
All you need is a pro pad.
I hope the feds ain't watching this. I'll call you back.
A few moments later.
Y'all, look at this motherfucking G80.
Speed racing, he not hard, he fake it, yeah. Be patient, stay down till you make it, yeah. She basic, cut her off and upgrade it, yeah. Ball up, upgraded, niggas 12 like tall rated. She so damn shady, she wanna be my damn lady.
Ooh, y'all see that motherfucker, man. And he got the wrap on that bitch. Y'all see what type of color this is, bro. Y'all let me know what color this is, twin. We definitely outside. It is wrap, bro.
That's wrap.
It is wrap. Look at its color shift, bro. It's like a color shift. Nah, this ain't no stock color.
This is at least 120, bro.
Yeah, most definitely. That bitch is slaying. It's another black John over here. But our Beamer's got them bitches. Oh, I see these bitches. Look at this shit. Ooh, that bitch dumb. What you talking about? Look at that bitch. Look at that bitch. Them Beamer boys snapped, didn't it? Look at the diffuser too. Ooh, that bit dumb. Yeah, it's dry. It's an M440i. Okay. That boy got them fat boys on the back of that bitch. Then we got an M3 right here. That bit clean and full. Got an SS right there. In that M3. bitch zoomed in, ain't it? Y'all, we upstairs with it. Had to pop upstairs, show y'all what the fuck they got up here, man. Really, I came to see this bitch right here. Big booty ass refrigerator. Look at this shit, got a crazy wrap on it. This bitch is insane, gang. Big ass, fat ass refrigerator out here. Beamer. 300. Scat. It look like Aaron shit. Hell yeah, this Aaron shit. Aaron got the fat ass, that big booty scat. Y'all see 12, man. They trying to get that big. Trying to cancel us, bro. I know 12 tired of us, bro. Somebody revving that shit down there too. But that TRX pulling out. That TRX shit so crazy, gang. Y'all, there's a cat over there. We're gonna get that motherfucker soon, bro. Y'all blowing the channel up, man. You feel me? Y'all blowing the poles out crazy. But we gonna get that motherfucker soon. That's a wide body. And then y'all see this nigga right here. They trying to shut this shit down.
Police always messing with me and my friends when we go out. Can't never have no fun.
Damn.
Wait a minute.
It's another car meet that's out here, but I ain't trying to drive over there, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not trying to drive. I'm not trying to drive all the way out there. That shit too far for me. I ain't even gonna fake it, y'all. This M's gonna pull off. This bit right here. I think it's an X5. I think so.
Oh, this one, I think this is either a 40 hour or a 50 hour. Hey, look at the tailpipe.
Yeah.
It might be a 50 hour.
They got red guts. This shit hard. Y'all see Jaden posted. Y'all see my web posted. That lime man nigga over there.
Hey, Breeze, I'll take it. I'll take that.
That bit clean. Tell him to bust a right, gang. Look at this shit right here. That Mac. Oh, that bit nasty. I'm gonna come. Look at the Hawk. They got a vet right here. They ain't come all the way over here. And a C8, what the fuck? C8 insane. Motherfucker Hawk right here. Ooh, that bit done. What the fuck, nigga? Okay. This bitch sound crazy. What's good, huh? Shit, bro. This shit hard as fuck. This nigga got the starlights back here.
Oh, Kevin. Sorry, bro. I didn't even mean to call you.
This man butt dialing, folks.
Right now, though. Yeah, go left. Yeah. I'll call you later, bro. Bye. Yeah, look, 12 right there. So be careful. What up? What up? What up? You alright? Hey, what you gonna get done next to this?
This?
Yeah.
No, I'm just about to get a Chrysler Demon 3.
Oh my gosh, this nigga.
But I'm keeping this though. I ain't getting rid of it. I would never get rid of the
cat.
Trackhawk.
Hey, don't even rid of that
Cat. Yeah, I ain't getting rid of the
Yeah,
Trackhawk.
12 here.
That boy got red guts in this bitch. See the steering wheel in this motherfucker. That motherfucker sound crazy.
He ain't lying.
Y'all see this, bro? That motherfucker got the Hawk on this bitch.
Damn, bro, I need Shorty to move so we can flick up.
This shit insane. He got the two-tone, bro. Trackhawk. Y'all see this motherfucker.
Hey, look at that.
BBL too. Look at that bit. The yellow supercharger.
Alright. We need the buck.
That bitch insane. Y'all follow my boy. Y'all follow him on the ground.
Where Breeze at?
He in the back. Y'all see this motherfucker, man. My boy done popped out to this bit.
I'm gonna come.
We on the outside. Yeah, you gotta go out, come out. You'll see it.
I see we got them bitches outside though, for real. Y'all ain't never seen no Trackhawk with birds on that side of that bitch though, bro. Definitely a one-on-one Hawk. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all said the last Trackhawk won one-on-one, so y'all let me know if this Trackhawk one-on-one. Feel me? Y'all, they kicking us out, man. We on the way to another load though, bro. So y'all just stay tuned on the vid. Y'all just stay tuned on the vid. We finna head somewhere else so we can post up. It's another car meet somewhere, bro, but I'm not gonna lie, gang. We not trying to go all the way down there, bro. We're not trying to waste no gas. But yeah, bro, y'all just stay tuned on the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Road to 5K, man. And I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the next spot, no cap.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so we just posted up over here in the cut. We got a cab. We got a Breeze Mobile. We got a fucking track. We got a wide body Charlie. We got motherfucking 571. We got another 571 motherfucker, big ass cab. Beamer. Motherfucking Finn. Dang. And my nigga Ken's over there. Motherfucking turbo.
I see some dudes, he like
boosted
dropped
motherfucker.
you like this. Yeah.
But yo, we posted though, man. We all outside and shit, man. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe if you new to the video.
It was what? Right over there. It was 277, right? Yeah. Where you at right now?
284, nigga. What the fuck?
That shit running.
Bro, this shit running.
That shit running, gang. That shit running, gang.
As fuck, bro.
That shit running, gang.
Bro, what?
I'm telling you, bro.
I just showed you that shit. That shit was about 277, right?
Need to start fucking that shit. Hey, hop out, man. Hop out.
Hey, look.
Tell that bitch in the morning. That bitch gonna be at like 4, 5 for half a meal.
Nico shit, bro.
Yeah, that shit gonna run.
Your man's ain't parked right there. 200 something pounds.
No, you gotta go to Nico's shit in Atlanta, gang. Oh, tomorrow? No, I'm just saying you gotta.
Yeah, man.
No,
We
I'm just saying
posted
you
outside,
got.
bro.
I'm saying
Let
you
y'all
gotta.
niggas know what the fuck we got cooking up.
Niggas gonna show
I'm
you,
gonna turn
bro.
back in with y'all. If you made it this far, man, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. Cause if you still watching, ain't drop no like or you ain't subscribed yet, what the fuck wrong with y'all? Y'all see we got them bitches outside, gang. So y'all stay tuned, bro. No cap.
Okay, bye.